Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mastering English Audio, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, Emily. Hi, friends. I'm Paul, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, daily routines.
Yes, my daily routine in English. This is a great topic because we all have daily routines, things we do every day, like waking up, eating breakfast, going to work, or studying.
And when you can talk about your daily routine in English, you can have conversations with anyone, classmates, coworkers, or new friends around the world.
So stay with us. In this lesson, you'll learn common daily routine vocabulary, how to describe your day step by step, and a fun dialogue to help you speak naturally.
And at the end, we'll have a mini practice so you can repeat and speak with us.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an English lesson. Let's start from the beginning. The morning. When you talk about your daily routine, you usually go in order, from morning to afternoon to evening and then night.
So, Emily, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
I usually say, I wake up at 7 a.m. Everyone, say it with me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Okay. Wake up means to stop sleeping. Don't say, I open my eyes. Say, I wake up. Then after you wake up, you probably get up. That means you leave the bed.
Exactly. So, I wake up at 7 a.m. I get up at 7:10 a.m. So you can say both.
Then what do you do next?
I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I take a shower.
You can use the phrase, I get ready for the day. That means you prepare yourself. Maybe you shower, brush your teeth, get dressed.
Yes, after that, I get dressed and have breakfast. For example, I have coffee and toast for breakfast.
Okay.
Great. Now it's time to go out. If you're a student, you might say, I go to school at 8 o'clock. If you work, you can say, I go to work at 9 a.m.
And if you stay at home, you can say, I stay at home and do chores. Chores means housework, like washing the dishes, doing laundry, or cleaning.
Now let's move to the afternoon. You can say, I have lunch at noon. Or, I eat lunch around 1 p.m.
After lunch, maybe you go back to work or study. You can also say, I check my emails, or I attend meetings.
If you're a student, maybe I study English in the afternoon. Or, I do my homework.
And don't forget, take a break. That's an important phrase. You can say, I take a short break and drink some tea.
After work or school, it's time to relax. You can say, I get home at 6 p.m. Then, I have dinner with my family.
Yes. And after dinner, maybe you watch TV, read a book, or scroll through your phone.
I like to say, I relax and watch my favorite series. Or, I spend time with my family.
Then finally, I go to bed at 11 p.m. or I go to sleep at 10:30. Okay?
So let's review the basic structure. Morning. Wake up, get up, brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, go to work. Afternoon. Have lunch, work or study, take a break, finish work.
Evening, go home, have dinner, relax, go to bed. Perfect. That's your daily routine.
Now let's see how to use it in a real conversation.
Okay, everyone. Listen to this short conversation between Paul and me. We'll show you how to talk about your daily routine in a natural way. Hey, Emily, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you?
Oh, I wake up a little earlier, around 6:30. I like to exercise in the morning.
Wow, that's early. I prefer to sleep a little longer.
I understand. So, what do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and then have breakfast. Usually coffee and eggs.
Sounds good. I also drink coffee, but I skip breakfast sometimes.
Oh, really? I can't skip breakfast. I get so hungry.
What do you do after breakfast?
I get ready for work and leave the house around 8:30.
Nice. I start work at 9, so I go to my office around 8:45.
What about after work?
I go home, take a shower again, and have dinner with my family.
Same here. I love cooking dinner in the evening.
Then I usually watch a show or read before bed.
Me too. I go to bed around 11 p.m. That's my day.
Great! That's a perfect example of a daily routine in English.
Now let's repeat some key sentences together. I'll say it slowly. You repeat after me.
Okay.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch at noon. I get home at 6. I have dinner with my family. I go to bed at 11.
Great job, everyone. If you can say these sentences easily, you can describe your day in English.
Let's learn some useful vocabulary and phrases from today's lesson. We'll explain each one and give you an example sentence. 1. Wake up. To stop sleeping. Example. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. 2. Get up. To leave your bed. Example. I get up after 10 minutes. 3. Brush my teeth. To clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Example. I brush my teeth twice a day. 4. Take a shower. To wash your body. Example. I take a shower in the morning. 5. Get dressed. To put on clothes. Example. I get dressed before breakfast. 6. Have breakfast, lunch, or dinner. To eat a meal. Example. I have lunch at school. 7. Go to work, go to school. To travel to your job or classes. Example. I go to work by bus. 8. Take a break. To rest for a short time. Example. I take a break at 3 p.m. 9. Get home. To arrive at your house. Example. I get home after 6 p.m. 10. Relax. To rest and feel calm. Example. I relax and watch TV. 11. Go to bed. To lie down and prepare to sleep. Example. I go to bed at 10:30. 12. Go to sleep. Actually fall asleep. Example. I go to sleep quickly when I'm tired. 13. Chores. Small house jobs like cleaning or cooking. Example. I do my chores on the weekend. 14. Skip breakfast. To not do something. Example. I sometimes skip breakfast. 15. Spend time with. To use time doing something with someone. Example. I spend time with my friends after work.
These are super common phrases. If you know these 15, you can describe almost any day in English.
Time to practice. Let's do some short exercises. I'll give you a sentence with a blank. Try to say the missing word. Ready?
Okay.
1. I blank up at 7 a.m. Answer. Wake. 2. I blank my teeth every morning. Answer. Brush. 3. I blank to work by train. Answer. Go. 4. I blank lunch at noon. Answer: have. 5. I blank home at 6. Answer: get. 6. I blank to bed at 11. Answer: go. 7. I like to blank after dinner and watch TV. Answer: relax.
Excellent work. You're doing great. Now, pronunciation practice. Repeat after us slowly. Okay. Wake up. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to.
I go to work. I have lunch at noon. I get home at 6. I relax and watch TV. I go to bed at 11.
We also learned 15 useful words and practiced pronunciation together.
And we had a fun dialogue to see how to use these phrases in real conversation.
So now your homework is
Write your own daily routine in English. Start with I wake up at and write 5 to 10 sentences about your day.
then read it out loud. Speaking is the best way to remember new phrases.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about your daily routine in English.
If you like this lesson, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And leave a comment below. Tell us, what time do you wake up? We'd love to read your answers.
Next time, we'll talk about talking about the weather in English, another everyday conversation topic.
So stay tuned and keep practicing.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.